Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, purple color, blue color, red color, chocolate color, light green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: heart, rectangle, pentagon, star, oval and circle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Heart, rectangle, pentagon, star, oval, circle. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart, next green color, rectangle, next purple color, pentagon, next orange color, star, next blue color, oval, next chocolate color, circle, what we learn? We learn red color, heart, green color, rectangle, purple color, pentagon, orange color, star, blue color, oval, chocolate color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.